Hi friends, welcome to Easy Exam channel, your exam friend. Today I will be teaching you some simple tips to multiply any number with 5 very easily in a fast manner. Let us solve these questions in a fast manner. So what is 2 into 5? It is 10. Then 17 into 5, it is 85. So what is 27 into 5? It is difficult, it is getting difficult, right? So it takes time, right? The normal method that we used to do is nothing but 27 into 5 equal to 7 into 5 is 35, 3 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 1 13. See, 135. This method is the method that we are accustomed from our childhood. So this method is very, it will take so much time and it will save your precious time during your exam. So the speed math technique that we can apply here is just half the number, just half the number and multiply the result with 10. Because can I write 5 as 10 divided by 2? So multiplication by 5 is nothing but halving the number and then multiplying the result with 10. Isn't it so simple? So what is half of 27? It is nothing but 12 point. It is nothing but 13.5, isn't it? So 13.5 into 10 is what? 135. Go on to the next question. So what is half of 125? It is nothing divided by 2 is nothing but 62.5. Then we multiply this result with 10. So you get the final answer as 625. Isn't it so simple, guys? So next, what is 78542 into 5? So first step is to find half of the number. So that is nothing but divide by 2 in your mind. So that is nothing but 7 is nothing but 3, 9, 2, 7, 1. It is the half. Then add a 0 to it. So you got the number, right? So here you go, the summary of our discussion. So in order to multiply any number with 5, just half the given number and then multiply the result with 10. If you want to know more techniques, speed math techniques like this, please subscribe to Easy Exam channel and give a thumbs up if you like. This will motivate me to do more videos.